terrible guy. Yes. Yeah, he's terrible. And I was learning about, I'm sort of getting back in the dating world. I'm learning about sensual consent. Now I'm like, yeah. I don't know. But now you're supposed to say, okay, now I'm going to put the capo on. I put the capo on. Now I'm touching the strings. Touching the strings. Okay. Now I'm going to play. Yeah. All right. Here's a song everybody knows. Hope I didn't put it out of tune. Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna give it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe anybody feels the way I do. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fiery and the sound. For sure you heard it all before, but you never really had it down. I don't believe it. Everybody feels the way I feel right now. And all the roads lead the way of winding, and all the lights lie the way of blinding. There are many things that I'd like to say go, but I don't know how. I don't know how. You're gonna be the one that saved me, cause after all you're my wonderful. Today was gonna be the day, but I never gave it back to you. Negative. Oh, now you surely somehow realize what you like to do. I don't believe anybody feels the way I do about now. And all the roads that lead you to finding, and all the lights I will blinding. Wow, there are many things that I'm not to say go, but I don't know how. I don't know how. You're gonna be the one that saved me. Cause after all, you're my wonderful. Oh, maybe you're gonna be the one that saved me. Cause after all, you're my wonderful. Whee! That's fun. It's like church, right? Woo! Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes. So I'm not going to get sensual consent at this moment. So I will go on something else. Let's see. Crazy. Or let me do one of my own about it's murder ballad. Sicario. You've seen those Guillermo del Toro movies. Crosses the border and he kills. All right, here we go. Well, I killed a man just to watch him die. Whoa, please don't ask me, don't know why. I gave him up to the count of 3. Whoa, after 2 he ceased to be. Is it part bringing home included pain? You're too many deep inside my brain. I don't have the capacity to know. So here again, off I go. A true Sicario speaks English and Spanish, of course. Tortero must be. Venados que cruzan mi camino. Como dice avestruz, igual se sangre en la luz. De piedad yo no me sé, porque me angría, pero coming up early, you marchas to my dear. No soy más que Mario, a veces no sería, baby, I'm just a simple Mario, maybe a serial killer, baby. Now these walls would be easier to clean if we covered them in plastic, right? Before the big event. Well, I try to cry, only cry for me. Whoa, me and the slow lack of empathy. I mirror people day and night, but what the hell gives them right to live in a world apart from me? Think I'm there a separate entity, but in this system I'm still not burn you before too long. Now there is no will, no sun, my skin. A veces así no sería, baby, I'm just a simple Mario, baby, a serial killer, baby. I got a sympathetic aspect. I don't deserve any second chance I might get. If they better they treat me right, lock the door, turn out the light. Baby, I'm just a simple scenario. Maybe a assassino sería. Whoa, whoa. Sería. Just to watch him die. Oh, please don't ask me, don't know why. Well, I killed a man just to watch him die. Got him up between the eyes. Thank you. Mr. Reese. Okay. What the hell's going to play next? I guess, yes. I guess I'll go. Let's go. The crowd pleaser, baby. Always, every single day. All right, let's see. Who's gonna? Yes. All right. Am I gonna remember the words? No, not yet. Is that Croce? Croce. Nah, it's just that you've probably heard it before. Oh, almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. I was over there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like breeze, country road. Take me home to the place I belong. How well Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Oh, all these memories gather around her. Miner's lady, stranger to the blue water, dark and dusty, fading on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in her eye, country road, take me home to the place I belong. How well Virginia, mountain mama, to me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. And as I travel around, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road, take me home to the place I belong, where Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country. All right, everybody kind of knows this. Country road, take me home to the place. Hey, Teddy, what are you doing, Teddy? You guys want to sing? Okay, yeah. One more time. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road. Thank you. It's a Nixon thing here. 70s, right? No. We don't like Nixon. Not a grip. He was so bad, and then we got other. Yes. All right. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you.
One more time, Paul J. Johnson, yo. Swag, another sellout. Here we go. Richard King coming up, baby. Come on, man. You want to get on before Tom York starts to sing?